All right, party people, the place to be. We just received our Bright Day 4-pack from Freewell, and let's unbox it, see what it look like. Come on. ND filters from Freewell. Nice high quality. Look at that. That's nice high quality right there. Nice high quality. It even shows you what it's supposed to look like with it on and off. Come on, Freewell. That's what I'm talking about. That's classy, baby. That's classy. You got your QR scanning for installation and for video guide, which, I mean, it's real easy to install. So I think you flip this bad boy up like that there, and you pull that bad mama jamma out. Classy. I'm telling you, it's classy. Get this boy out the way, and bam, let's flip that on up. And there we go, people. There we go. Nice high quality Freewell Bright Day 4-pack. And so now let's go put these bad boys to the test and do a flight. Blanco River, people, in Blanco, Texas, at this little ducked out picnic area. Nice high quality picnic area, I might add. And here we go. So yeah, we're gonna go up on this bridge. We still have great signal so far. We're gonna keep on cruising. March 25th, 2025. Duck up on this little nice high quality bridge. That's alright. This is the sounds of nature when you're out here. Right, are we coming up on? Nice high quality area. Get us a little bit of altitude. It's a road. Get us a little bit of altitude. We don't want to scare the fishermen. As you can see, got somebody out there fishing, enjoying their day. We don't want to scare them. So we're gonna pop on up. We're gonna take a look at this. This agua as we pop on up. Look at that. Yeah. Good look. About 60 feet up. Take a little look-see. You know we gotta avoid power lines because they'll come out of nowhere and ruin your day. And look at that aqua. Look like we done got to the good part of the river. We starting a little signal, just a teensy bit. So yeah, we're gonna get up a little higher. Not too high. About 75 feet up. Still can enjoy looking at this beautiful agua. See some people walking on the trail to the left side, enjoying this beautiful day. We can hear the birds chirping. So yeah, this is a beautiful thing, people. Let's hit that 2X over here. Little old park area. Picnic tables. Bitches. We in that 2X right now. That signal bouncing up and back and down. Lift that gimbal on up in that 2X. go on back to that 1X. Just a beautiful, beautiful day, Blanco, Texas, on the Blanco River. Look at that. Look at that water. Try to keep this gimbal tilted because, like I said, the power lines will come out of nowhere. And this system is pretty good. The avoidance system is pretty good, but it can't see everything, people. It can't see everything. All right, I can see some power lines right there, but we are well above them, which is great. And that old signal starting to drop. See if we get a little higher, can we help that out? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Get us a good old drone's eye view of this area. Get a little bit higher. There we go. Pop that board in that 3X and see what we got further down the river. Man, look at that. It's a whole different view, people, when you put in that 3X. A whole different view, people. Look at that. Higher because we're starting to lose that signal. A whole different view. Let's pop out of that 3X. Take us a look. Beautiful view, people. And all right, I do believe that this NDA filter / PL from Freewell is pretty damn good, if I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. So now, that's all we want to do, a little testing. We want to use this, do a little testing, and have some agua around us to test it. So now we're just gonna take some look-see around in our area that we are. Look like we got greenhouses right there. Turns around. We're gonna make us a U-turn because we're starting to lose signal. And now from here we're gonna fly back, but we're gonna stay up high and enjoy this beautiful, beautiful view. So we had us a low view at first, and now we're going to do us a drone's eye view. All the way back. The sun reflecting off that water. We got some beautiful sound effects in the background. We don't need to add nothing to this to get you in the atmosphere's mood. Hey, we got it all live in 3D. Come on, good. Tilt that gimbal up just a tad. There we go. Just a teensy-weensy bit. And the foliage has not grown back in yet, but probably mid-April, everything will be back green. It's a beautiful thing, beautiful thing, beautiful scenery. That's the bridge we went up under. On our way to the turnaround spot. Yeah, this Steve's filter is pretty damn good. What I'm gonna do is a flyover shot. As we make our way back. Pretty dang on good, people. We're about 400 feet away from the home spot. There's the home spot, so let's drop on down. Bad boy going. And I still have 55% battery life. This is what I love about that Air 3S. You do not have to feel like you're being rushed. To fly that bad boy. Now we just gonna drop it on down. And take a look-see. And there you can see me. And we're gonna call it what they call a day. Drop it down. And fly it on in. Try to avoid some of these little bitty branches. It's like I always say, people, just get out there and fly the damn drone and have fun safely. It's your boy, the Drone Dripper. To the next episode, people. Peace.